Welcome to Byte Further. Today's video is about how to fix iPhone XR stuck on Apple logo. So, you found your iPhone XR stuck on Apple logo screen and won't turn onto the home screen. This can happen when you're restarting, updating, or restoring your device. Apple logo appears on your iPhone XR but the phone won't turn on. Instead, your iPhone XR just gets frozen on the Apple logo screen for hours. Sometimes, you'll see that Apple logo appears, disappears, and then shows up again. It seems like it gets stuck in a boot loop and won't turn on normally. If you found iPhone XR gets stuck on Apple logo loop, click the card at the top right corner of the screen to fix it up. Alright, let me briefly explain why your iPhone XR is stuck on the Apple logo and won't turn on. First, accumulated system caches and temporary files tend to cause your iPhone XR to be stuck on Apple logo. Second, it could be related to the iOS system issue. The iOS software your device is using is outdated or the system suddenly acts up and stops working. Third, your iPhone XR system storage is full, and not enough memory is left to let the system run as normal. 4. If you see the Apple logo stuck on your iPhone XR screen after dropping it down or getting it water damaged, the broken hardware components, for example, the unresponsive display, could be the causes. So, how do you fix your iPhone XR when it's stuck on the Apple logo screen? There are mainly 4 solutions. We'll show you how to fix iPhone XR stuck on Apple logo with or without computer. You won't lose anything by taking the first and second methods. If they don't work, you'll need to completely reset your phone and fix the issues or turn to Apple for help. Now, let's start. Alright, the first method is to force restart your phone. When iPhone XR Apple logo stuck on screen, whether it's a white or black screen, turning off your phone and then turning it back on can help wipe clean the system lags and temporary system caches. Best of all, you can fix iPhone XR stuck on Apple logo no computer. All you need to do is to press some buttons. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone XR. Now, let's do it. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. Apple logo will disappear and the screen will become black. Still keep holding the power button. When you see Apple logo showing on the screen again, release the button and let the phone finish the boot up process. This refreshes the system and lets your phone get past the Apple logo to turn on without deleting anything. A few seconds later, your iPhone XR will get past Apple logo screen and turn on. See, your device works normally now and all your data are still there. It's possible that your iPhone XR is still stuck on Apple logo screen even after force restart. Worry not. The second method for iPhone XR Apple logo stuck problem is to update the iOS software. This can help solve more complex issues like the Apple logo keeps flashing on and off, Apple logo stuck with loading bar, etc. Doing an iOS update also won't delete anything that's stored on your phone now. Let me show you how to do that. In this step, you'll need a computer and a USB cable. First, connect your phone to the computer with a USB cord and run the iTunes or Finder software. In my case, I'll show you the iPhone XR stuck on Apple logo screen with iTunes Fix. Then, put your phone into recovery mode. Doing this can help your computer and iTunes or Finder quickly detect and fix your iPhone XR when it's stuck on the Apple logo. To enter recovery mode, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone XR. Got it? Okay, let's do it. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. Apple logo will disappear. A few seconds later, Apple will appear again. Still hold the power button. Apple logo will disappear again, and then you will see a black screen telling you to connect to a computer. That's the recovery mode screen. Release the button and turn to iTunes or Finder on your computer. You'll see a dialog box popping up. From there, choose Update button. It'll guide you to finish the following steps to update your phone. Just do as prompted. Once done, just wait for iTunes or Finder to download and install the latest iOS software firmware into your phone. Depending on your internet speed, this process can take hours, so please wait patiently. If your device automatically exits the recovery mode and shows Apple logo again during the update, just repeat the steps before to enter the mode again. After the update, your iPhone XR will reboot, moving past the stuck Apple logo and turning back on. See, your phone goes back to working order now. If the update fails to let your iPhone XR turn on past the Apple logo, reset the phone. The reset method is the only way to fix iPhone XR full storage stuck Apple logo by yourself. Note that the reset will delete everything on your phone. You can only get back the data if you've backed them up before. Now, I'll show you how to reset iPhone XR with a stuck Apple logo screen. Okay, make sure your phone is still plugged into the computer and iTunes or Finder software is running. Then, put your iPhone XR into recovery mode again. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, then press and hold the power button. Same as before, keep holding the power button until you see the recovery mode screen. Okay, go back to your computer. From the dialog box, click the restore button to factory reset your phone. Wait for your phone to be reset to the most original settings. After that, your iPhone XR will go back to the hello screen. Set it up and you'll be able to use it again. If your iPhone XR won't turn on stuck on Apple logo because of hardware issues like broken display, loosened components, liquid damage, and so on, go to your nearest Apple repair center and turn to the genius guys there. That's all how to fix an iPhone XR that is stuck on the Apple logo screen. Hope this video can help get past the Apple logo stuck screen and let your phone turn back on. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.